What's trending on Etsy now? Here at eRank again, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy now. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with US shoppers. Then we'll analyze what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, like what was top trending on Amazon or in the UK on Etsy, pop over to the blog. Here's November's top 20 most searched keywords on Etsy, and beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. These searches climbed the highest fastest. We always start with the current top 20 keywords that weren't in the previous month's top 20 list. We like to focus on these because they climbed the highest the fastest most recently. Two of these are screamers though, so called because they screamed to the top, and last month they didn't even make the top 1000 shopper searches. Often top 20 screamers are seasonal, like this month's number 6, Gifts for Her. So really, November's only true out-of-nowhere screamer is this one. This is Arcane, a TV show based on the game League of Legends. Its second season dropped in November, with all episodes available to stream over the course of the month. Clearly, it was quite the hit, but one that's very much off limits for sellers without a license from Riot Games. Therefore, we'll say no more about Arcane. November's climbers. Here's last month's climbers, listed with their current rank first and last month's rank in brackets. We know you must be crazy busy, so we won't do all of these. We'll just do a few that jumped over 50 places in rank. Then we'll end with a roundup of what the top Etsy searches tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. So stick with us. Ranking third, Gifts for Him, up from 123rd. Wow, way up from last year. But wait, here's Gift for Him singular. For these trend analyses, we consider the searches just as the shoppers typed them, singular or plural. That's useful to keep in mind when assessing a keyword. And results like these are why the default for the keyword tool is that includes near matches. Let's look at them with their data merged. Are you new to eRank? Ever wondered what exactly that includes near matches includes? Here's how to find out. Scroll down to the keyword ideas table. Across the top, you'll see the near matches tab. Often you'll see just the plural and singular forms of the keyword here, but sometimes you'll see more, and that can include shopper searches that may not have occurred to you, as we do here. Him gifts and for him gifts and gifts to him. As it happens, those have negligible search volume, but nevertheless it's often worth looking at, because at times we've found buried treasure here. In the case of gifts for him then, does it matter which of these you should use? Should you use all of them? Not in this particular instance, because Etsy and other search engines treat singular and plural forms almost the same, and none of the rest have worthwhile search volume, and wow, even they have insane levels of competition from your fellow sellers. If a buyer were currently searching for gifts to him and it had low competition, then you could use that to exactly match what the customers are searching for, but it doesn't. So stick either with gift for him or gifts for him if that's what your product could be, but don't expect to rank for it. No mere mortal seller can with that competition. Just plan on needing to niche down, which Jan gives a great example of in the blog, where by looking at the keyword ideas and searching by search trend, she was able to scroll down and find this fun keyword, spicy gifts for him, which has just been searched for in the past month, and there's hardly any competition. Great find, Jan. And geek gifts for him she spotted further down. If you go niching, there is often gold to find. Meanwhile, we'll get back to our highest climbers, and let's skip the next one. It's 4th ranked personalised gifts. It's only up from 56th. And personalised gift singular ranked 6th in October's top 20. You don't need to tell us how popular personalised gifts are on Etsy. Ranking 6th, Gifts for Her, was a screamer. It didn't make October's top 1000. As we mentioned at the start, this is our other November screamer, but not really, since in singular form it ranked 133rd a month ago. So we'll just take a quick look. This year, the plural is outperforming last year's, up 39%. Of course, like all these top 20 searches, gifts for her is way too competitive to rank for. No worries though, just niche down using the same procedure that we did before. Next on our list for best performing climbers is 7th ranked Gifts, but let's skip that one too. In singular form, it ranked second a month ago, and it ranks number 1 now, which leaves us with just one more to do. Ranking 10th, Advent Calendar is up from 69. Nice. While undeniably down year on year, its 87,890 searches for November are still plenty, and Advent Calendar has two stats we especially love to see. First, that Etsy competition figure. Fewer than 17,000 US listings on Etsy are using this keyword, and we're even more excited about that average click-through rate, 103%. And when calculated just for November, that click-through rate came out the same at 103%. That's a lot of purchase intent. That is, a shopper who's more likely searching with the intent to purchase as opposed to one that's just browsing. And speaking of which, here's your insider roundup of the top keywords on Etsy now that have the highest click-through rate. Are you here to find out what to sell on Etsy? Then this lightning round is for you. Of the top online marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with high click-through rates. That said, even on Etsy, click-through rates above 125% are rare. And note too, we did these calculations based exclusively on their November search volumes and clicks, which means regardless of what their 12-month click-through rate may be, these keywords should be hot right now. We hope some prove to be profitable leads for you. And Jan digs even deeper in the blog, looking at the top 250 keywords. And don't forget to check out her other blogs for the trends in UK, Canada, Australia, and in eBay and Amazon. As always, we love hearing what you think. Got questions or suggestions? You're welcome to join us in eRanks' private Facebook group. With over 28,000 members from all around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.